Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming a small, consistent block of time each morning. This anchors habit formation and reduces decision fatigue. Open your notebook or app and write the date. First, list 1 or 2 quick wins to prime positive bias, then briefly note current worries so they leave your head. Finally, pick a single actionable task for the day. Do this to create momentum and clarity. The structure forces focused reflection rather than rambling. Once you have the habit, expand entries to capture context and learning. For each item, write 1 sentence explaining why it mattered and note a mood score from 1 to 10 so you quantify emotional trends. Track time spent on the chosen action and any measurable outcome. Numbers reveal what actually moves you forward. Make a weekly review note that links repeated themes to decisions you can test. This disciplined record turns anecdotes into data. To finish each session, write a short evening reflection and 1 tweak you will try tomorrow. This closes the loop and creates iterative improvement. If you find skipping shows up, reduce the time commitment to 5 minutes and simplify prompts so barriers drop. When motivation falters, flip back to past wins and measurable progress. Seeing evidence restores momentum quickly. If content feels repetitive, change 1 variable, time of day, prompt wording, or medium to break the block and keep the practice alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.